There were many people who were considered themselves qualified enough to be instructors. There were mechanical engineers and the dressmakers, and we collected a group of people. I would say about 15 people of different trades. The American organization gave us a building, a former brewery building. They confiscated the building from the brewery, gave it to us, and we arranged there a school of, I would say, about 20 to 25 different classes, 20 to 25 different trades, and up to 300 students. The students' age varied from 14, the youngest, up to 62. It was one of the best schools, art schools in Austria.